Why are these buildings not quite the same as the ones I made? Aren't you modeling with SU? You're using Rhino. What is Rhino? It's an incredibly powerful 3D modeling software. When SU struggles to realize the architect's boundless and imaginative ideas, Rhino, with its powerful surface modeling capabilities, has become one of the most mainstream architectural software in the industry. Familiar world-class teams such as Zaha Hadid Architects, Matt Architects, Jarkingles Group, and UN Studio have mostly used Rhino to complete their modeling for their designs. But Rhino seems so difficult. Its functions and commands are more than 10 times those of SU, right? Don't worry, because you've encountered the most beginner-friendly course. Many online introductory videos are stuck at button-based teaching, focusing only on how to explain functions and commands. After going through them once, many students forget most of what they learned, and the learning process is utterly lacking in a sense of achievement. This course is designed to solve these problems. The entire course is case-oriented, featuring more than 10 design works from top international teams. These examples are used to connect all the knowledge points and guide you through the learning process from easy to difficult. Each lesson not only explains the functions and commands, but more importantly, it focuses on the explanation of the modeling approach. For example, with projected curves, what you should learn is not just this simple operation, but rather, how did it help big architects win the architectural competition for the Greenland International Art Museum? The course content consists of over 15 lessons, each about 25 minutes. For example, by using a simple landscape installation, you'll get to know the basic interface and operations of Rhino. Through the Seville Metropole Parasol project, you'll understand the simple modeling logic behind complex forms. In each lesson, you'll master a modeling approach, making steady progress and gaining a strong sense of achievement. Additionally, the course explains the modeling logic of similar cases to help you learn to apply what you've learned to your own designs. By the end of the course, software skills will no longer be a shackle that restricts your design. Instead, they may even elevate your imagination to a higher level. The software version used in the course is Rhino 8.0. The course updates one episode per week and provides downloads for all the materials. So, join us in learning this most powerful 3D modeling software.